You ready, Brandon? Your big day? Here we go on our big mission. Woo! Brandon rolling his ciggy. Doing a little intro here for us, Brandon. A little intro.
Hey.
What are we going after today, Brandon?
Try Barra at the start, and we won't catch any of them. Then we'll try for Jack, won't catch any of them. And we'll anything.
Literally any fucking fish, we'll take it.
Take a catfish.
We'll take undersized, oversized. Let's go.
Crabs.
Woo! So here we are. Brandon set the anchor up. We found our little spot right here where this creek opens up into this creek. Legit, pretty advanced spot finding. And that's it. We're about to bait up, chuck in, and then see what we get. Hopefully something pretty quick.
I've got a fish on this rod.
Oi! Am I recording? Fuck, I don't even know.
Little tiny boy.
I hope I'm
Little sad boy.
Come on, bring him up, Brandon. Oi, oi, that's legal brimmy. That's a nice brim. Brandon's quick and easy blank brim hook removal.
Bit spiky, that boy. I'm just trying to. Oh, there.
Oh, beautiful. All right. I'll bleed him up.
Yeah,
chuck him on the floor.
No way.
Oh no. All right, there you go.
Don't lose it. Probably snagged me.
No, you still got it?
Yeah.
It's small, but oh, hey, he's flying in, little brimmy.
Legal.
Is it?
No, probably not. Bro, look how it's hooked.
Oh, beautiful. This is gonna be a brim haven, man. I'm feeling it already.
Okay. It's catfish. Oh, barra.
Oi, really?
Little barra.
Let's see him. Oh, little beauty. Wow. Definitely undersized, but we'll measure him to have it just for the camera. For the camera's sake. Put his nose on the setting.
60 to 105.
So what's that, 45?
Close.
What do they need to be?
68. 58, 58.
Oh, yeah.
68.
Woo! We almost lost the rod. Rod was hanging off the boat. Brandon just caught it.
That's a big jack.
This has got to be a good fish. Oi, oi, he's ripping it. He's ripping
That's
it.
the shark, Terry. It's on your line.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh shit, I better wind in. Let me put this GoPro back on my
I'm
head.
pulling this boat into the creek, cuz the shark has got head shakes and shit.
Oh, real?
Or a big fish.
I think my line's fine. Yeah, my line's fine. If it's not a shark, it's a good fucking fish.
Oh!
Oh, the king catfish!
Oh no!
No way! That's the biggest catfish, bro!
Kill me now, Terry.
Holy! Bro, get that catfish and fucking end it.
Bro, did you see me catch my rod when
Yes, you almost lost it. Holy!
What the fuck?
I've never. Have we caught a catfish that big?
Yeah, at the cave.
Once. Oh yeah, no, that's a different species though. Oh, bro, he's huge.
Yep, he's in the boat.
Whoa! What a big dog catfish.
People fucking report you for throwing that back.
What?
What the
Oh,
fuck
just
you
releasing that fucking vermin. So we're changing spot. Brandon's pulling in the anchor. We're getting ready. Changing spot. After we caught that big catfish, we decided this spot's cursed. We need to get out of here. So see you in the next spot.
Bro, that's a shark. For sure.
Give it here.
Take this, Terry, quick. Here. Let me get under you.
Yeah,
That's a
you're right.
fucking monster fish, Terry. Feel that weight. Get to the back, get to the back. Bro, holy fuck, that's huge.
Oh, he's jumping.
That's a barra, cunt. Get it in.
It could be a nice
Wait,
barra.
You want the net?
Yeah.
Holy fuck, Terry, that's a barra.
It might not be that big, I don't know.
I'm almost a ton, bro. If you jump, it's a barra.
It is a barra, and it's proper, bro. It's proper. All right, I'm gonna try to bring it around.
Go to the right side, as right as you can. Your body to the right over the cast net.
Yeah.
Oh, try bringing it around this way. Down here.
Yeah, it's coming over here.
This net'll break for sure.
I know. Here, here.
Holy keep it on, keep it on. Bring it this way, bring it this way.
No.
There's that. Put its head in it, put its head in it. That drag on? That's legal, bro, that's legal.
That's legal!
That's legal, brother!
Woo!
Bro, that's massive!
Woo!
Oh, it's stamp, dude.
Oh, water all over my glasses. Water on the GoPro lens.
That's so worth it. Oh, here. 52.
108.
That's 58. That's legal. That's just
Oh,
legal, dog.
right.
Holy fuck. Oi, that's actual 58, man. Proper
Perfect.
58. Oi, that's probably the best tasting barra too, because they reckon the small.
All right, get a picture, brother.
Hello.
Are you sure?
It might be. It might be.
I'm gonna just put my line back here real quick. All I got is the arse view of ya. Where's that net here?
Oh, it's pulling into the anchor tether.
It's alright, it's alright. Don't break your line. You can always feed your rod
It's
around.
under the anchor.
Oh my god, you can always feed your rod around under the anchor if you want to go to the
Oh, no,
tip.
it's coming back.
Oh, it's coming back.
Fuck, that's
It's got a lot of power in it, man. This is
Oi, get on the front side of the boat. I gotta
where you are.
back. Yeah, I gotta stand back.
Okay.
Oi, get a thing in the water. Get a thing in the water.
Oh, it's huge.
Get it in there, Terry.
Bring it in, bring it in. Bring it in.
Oh my god, look at that dog!
Oh! Oh!
Holy
Oh!
fuck!
Oh, Brandon, no!
That is fuck, no!
That is fucking sick!
Oh,
Oh my god, that is fucking insane!
that's a fat dog!
Holy, you gotta get some pictures of this. That rain really did it, eh?
Beautiful.
Oh my god.
Holy QA.
Oh my god.
Proper jumped there, and then the line over there, it was in the middle, just started dragging. I was like, wait, that's my line.
Yeah,
I thought it was just
holy.
catching something, eh? Holy
That was sick. Was that on the other side of the bank?
no, that was in the middle, right here.
Yeah, fuck. Oh, both barrows so far today have been in the middle.
Nah. Wait, let me take my fucking hat off.
I can't really see much. Big dog, Brandon.
Is it a barra? It hasn't jumped.
It hasn't jumped. It might not be. It could be a catfish. I don't know. It's fine and
Don't
weird.
even say that
It
shit,
could
dude.
be.
Don't you
It's coming straight at me. It's fucking coming at me.
That's a catfish thing.
It is probably a catfish. Oh,
I'm not hooking it.
oh, it's a fucking catfish.
I'm not
Alright.
hooking a catfish.
All right, we got to
dude.
swap spots. Stand back, Brandon. A fish on cast.
What the
What is
fuck?
that? A jack?
That's a
It's a
thingy.
jack. No, it's a jack.
Oh, what the fuck? Look at this
Beauty.
beautiful little jack.
Yo, yo, yo. Oh, is it? That's not jack.
What is that kind?
Bring him
That's
in.
a big brim. Oh,
That's a
little
huge
big
brim.
brim.
That's a nice sized brim, brother.
Terry, you don't. Wait, is that black?
No. Oh,
No,
yeah,
it's a
yeah.
normal.
No, it's a black
No,
one.
it is black.
Yeah.
Yeah, give it here. I got big lines around it.
Careful, Bram. He's gonna stab your feet, man.
That's bigger than mine, Terry.
Always
We
is.
cannot cut this off a day, Terry. That's only a little, though, eh?
Am I snagged? No, I'm not. I'm not.
Is that a little?
Oh, he's not. I don't know. He's
Little
playing.
black brim.
He's playing games with me. A little Jack.
Oh, again. It's the same one.
Probably.
Okay.
So I'll show the camera. Beautiful. Oh, you cheeky. So we're heading back in now. The fishing trip's over. Big Brandon caught a big bloody barra. And I caught an even bigger barra. So Brandon just woo! Alright, goodbye.